In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to update personal information on Wells Fargo. Let's get started. First, launch your Wells Fargo mobile app or navigate to the official website of Wells Fargo. Provide your credentials and log into your account. After logging, click on your profile or account settings section. From there, look for personal information, contact information, or profile settings, where you can view and manage your personal details. Next, choose the information you would like to update. You can edit your mailing address, phone number, email address, and other eligible contact information. Enter your new details carefully and review them to make sure everything is accurate. Depending on the type of information you are changing, Wells Fargo may ask you to verify your identity by entering a one-time security code sent to a registered phone number or email address. After making your changes, select Save or Update to confirm them. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your personal information has been successfully updated. And that's it. This way you can easily update personal information on Wells Fargo. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.